Imagine Dubai as a Ferrari, screaming down the highway, turning heads, thrilling everyone with speed and flash. Abu Dhabi? It's the Rolls-Royce Phantom gliding silently beside it, understated power, bulletproof engineering, and the kind of quiet confidence that makes billionaires feel at home. While Dubai races for headlines, Abu Dhabi pulls in serious capital like gravity, pulling planets into orbit. Not for quick flips or hype. For sovereign-backed stability, generational wealth, and structural upside that compounds like pumped interest on steroids. In February 2026, with oil steady, tourism exploding, and global money hunting safe harbors, Abu Dhabi isn't just catching up, it's becoming the fortress smart money builds its castles in. Today, I'll break down why Abu Dhabi is becoming one of the most strategically positioned real estate markets in the Middle East, and which islands matter most. If you're done chasing Dubai's roller coaster and want a market that feels more like a slow-burn rocket launch, stick around. This could be your portfolio's best-kept secret. Abu Dhabi isn't trying to copy Dubai. Dubai is the nightclub at 2 a.m., electric, crowded, unpredictable. Abu Dhabi is the private members club at sunrise, exclusive, controlled, timeless. Dubai is velocity. Abu Dhabi is gravity. Backed by trillions in sovereign wealth, expanding Abu Dhabi global market as the region's new financial nerve center and pouring billions into culture, tech, and tourism. Freehold for foreigners exploded post-2019, but supply is locked down tight, like a luxury brand that never floods the market. Result? Prices climbing 8 to 12% annually, yield 6 to 9%, golden visas on tap. The question isn't if, it's where to plant your flag. Let's break it down island by island, like choosing seats on a plane, front row for prestige, mid-cabin for cash flow, back for explosive growth. And at the front row we have Saadiyat Island, the cultural crown jewel. Think of Saadiyat as Abu Dhabi's Hermes Birkin bag, ultra-rare, impossible to mass-produce, and only getting more valuable. Louvre is already open, Guggenheim and Zayed National Museum incoming. Beachfront villas with limited plots feel like owning oceanfront in Monaco, with white sand beach and crystal clear sea as in the Maldives. Investor vibe, not chasing 10% yields. This is your family heirloom asset. 5 to 6% yields, but 15% plus year-over-year appreciation in premium pockets. Premium residences in partnership with big names like Nobu, Four Seasons, Baccarat, attracting ultra-high network individuals. Europeans and Asians are snapping it up like rare art. If your money needs a legacy home, Saadiyat is the velvet rope everyone wants behind. Yas Island, the entertainment engine on overdrive. Yas is the theme park that keeps upgrading itself. Ferrari World, Formula One Circuit, Warner Brothers, SeaWorld, Yas Water World. But the nuclear catalyst? Disney's first Middle East park, in collaboration with Maryah, opening at early 2030s. Disney doesn't just drop rides, it turns entire regions into money-printing magnets, like how Orlando or Anaheim became economic black holes for tourism cash. For you, short-term rentals explode, Airbnb on steroids, international buyers flood in, land values skyrocket. 7 to 9% yields on apartments plus 15 to 20% appreciation as the Magic Kingdom effect kicks in. Yas is your high-octane growth play fun, liquid, and future-proof. Next one, Reem Island, the urban cash flow workhorse. Reem is the reliable Swiss watch of Abu Dhabi real estate. Ticks perfectly every day, never flashy, always delivers. High-density apartments, skyline views, close to everything. The Edge, 6.5 to 8% yields from executive or family renters. With Abu Dhabi global market expansion swallowing more space, vacancy stays low. Urban. It's not prestige. It's the steady dividend stock in your portfolio, cash flow that funds your bolder bets, providing income stability and liquidity. Going ahead, Maryah Island, the finance fortress. Home to Abu Dhabi global market. Maryah can be described as Wall Street meets Yacht Club. Abu Dhabi global market anchors it, grade A offices, luxury exec pads. Lower yields than emerging zones, but strong capital preservation. Institutional tenants mean rock bottom risk. If Saadiyat is culture, Maryah is finance. Jubail Island, the eco-luxury sanctuary. Jubail is your private nature reserve escape. Low-density villas amid mangroves, located between Yas and Saadiyat. Upside, lifestyle buyers drive 10 to 15% appreciation. 5 to 7% yields. Longer hold horizon. It's the quiet luxury trend in property form, sustainable, serene, and increasingly scarce. Now the hidden gems, the emerging freehold zones still under the radar in 2026. These are the pre-IPO plays, early entry, massive scarcity, government-backed catalysts. Prices accessible now, but primed to moon like Yas did years ago. Al Fahid Island, the next waterfront phenomenon. Al Fahid is the blank canvas masterpiece Aldar is painting, 40 billion dirham mega project, 2.7 million square meters beachfront plus mangroves. Over 6,000 homes with starting price from less than 2 million dirham. Wedged between Yas and Saadiyat. Promising 5 to 7% yields, but 20 to 25% plus growth potential by 2029. If you missed Yas's boom, Fahid is your second chance rocket. Hudayriyat Island, the sports and wellness powerhouse rising fast. Hudayriyat is Abu Dhabi's massive lifestyle island, over 51 million square meters, 54 kilometers coastline, 16 kilometers beaches. Think adventure park meets luxury living. Modin's developments like Bashir, waterfront residences sold out fast, Noaef, hilltop villas and mansions with sea views, Tuscan-inspired townhouses, and Al Nasim, beach-level villas. New Third Hill adding ultra-premium elevated plots. Projected 5 million annual visitors by 2026, Surf Abu Dhabi, velodrome incoming. Investor buzz, freehold for all nationalities, lower entry versus Saadiyat, villas townhouses from mid-range, 5 to 8% ROI potential plus strong appreciation as sports wellness hub matures. It's the active luxury play, demand from families, expats, investors chasing organic growth over speculation. Early movers are already seeing quick resale wins. Ramhan Island, the Maldives of the UAE. Ramhan by Eagle Hills is pure opulence, natural island, private beaches, over 1,800 standalone villas, world-class marina. First handovers Q4 2026. Investor intel, 7 to 9% luxury rental yields, 15 to 20% appreciation as tourism surges. It's the status symbol asset with serious cash flow, like owning a yacht that pays dividends. Gantut and Al Jurf, the coastal corridor bridge, spotlight on the world's first clinics living island. Gantut sits smack between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, like the Golden Gate connecting two powerhouses. First launched phases in 2025 had really high demand from investors and was sold out immediately because of its affordable prices. Polo Club's emerging waterfront. Dual city access draws commuters and investors. Low density, green, undervalued. Your early mover lottery ticket. But here's the real standout in this corridor. Al Jurf Shah Emirates Island, billed as the world's first clinics living island, developed in partnership with the globally renowned Shah Wellness Clinic. This isn't just another beachfront project. It's a private island sanctuary, 380 hectares, 1.6 kilometers pristine coastline, where wellness is the DNA. Opening soon, it integrates a flagship Shah Wellness Clinic, 5-star longevity retreat with cutting-edge detox, integrative medicine, tailored health programs, nutrition, mental spiritual pavilions, yoga, and holistic therapies. A full health resort and ultra-exclusive residences, only about 137 beachfront villas plus limited apartments and penthouses, all designed around native flora, fauna, and sustainability. Unique edge for investors. This is longevity living on steroids. Think Blue Zone vibes meets luxury UAE. Unparalleled access to world-class wellness. Shah's signature treatments right on your doorstep. Attracts high-net-worth health-conscious buyers from Europe, Asia, and beyond. Scarcity is extreme. Gated, private island, driving premium pricing and rental demand from wellness tourists, second home seekers. Yields could hit 6 to 8% on luxury units with strong appreciation. 15-25% plus projected as the healthy living trend explodes. If you're investing for lifestyle plus legacy, like owning a personal Blue Zone retreat that appreciates, this is the niche play that could redefine coastal Abu Dhabi. Al Jurf isn't just bridging cities, it's bridging health and wealth. Bonus macro catalyst, Stargate UAE, the giant AI factory powering the next boom. Here's the game changer no one's sleeping on in 2026, the Stargate UAE project, a colossal AI data center campus in the desert near Abu Dhabi, one of the world's largest outside the US. Think of it as a city-sized server farm built to feed the AI revolution, with massive power demands and tech titan partnerships. Key details: anchored by UAE's G42, with OpenAI as a core partner or tenant, plus Oracle, NVIDIA, Cisco, and SoftBank. The full campus targets about 5 gigawatts, enough to power a major city, rivaling multiple nuclear plants, spanning 19 to 26 square kilometers. That's bigger than Monaco. Stargate UAE itself is the flagship 1 gigawatt cluster, with first 200 megawatt phases live or completing in 2026, costing billions. Estimates now $30 billion total for the ecosystem. Why does supercharges real estate? This isn't just servers in the sand. It's a magnet for global AI talent, engineers, execs, and supporting industries. Expect influx of high-income professionals needing premium housing, villas, and lifestyle escapes and coastal gems of Abu Dhabi. It creates jobs, boosts Abu Dhabi global market tech ecosystem, drives short-term rentals, and adds structural demand to freehold zones, turning desert into digital gold mines. As Abu Dhabi becomes a global AI hub, serving up to half the world's population with low-latency compute, property values get an extra gravity boost. This is the AI rocket fuel, making patience pay off big. Your pro-Abu Dhabi portfolio blueprint, like building a dream team. Looking for core preservation? Go for Saadiyat, the family jewel. Prefer yield plus explosive growth? Choose Yas, the adrenaline engine. Steady cash flow? Reem or Maryah, the reliable anchors. Lifestyle escape? Jubail, Hudayriyat, or Fahid, the active islands. High upside bets? Jurf, especially show Wellness Island for that wellness premium edge. Abu Dhabi isn't a casino, it's a chessboard. Patient moves win big. With 2026 forecasts at 8 to 12% market growth and yields crushing global averages, the window is wide open, but closing fast in these emerging spots. Which island feels like your move? Yas for the thrill? Saadiyat for luxury? Shah Resort for ultimate wellness living? Drop it in the comments. Smash subscribe for more UAE deep dives. Message me directly via link below or QR code at the end of video for project breakdowns, pricing, comparison, or custom thesis fits. Abu Dhabi isn't whispering anymore, it's calling your name. Let's answer.